Hi, how are you today? Today is painting day. I am going to do a dustpan pour on a little miniature, with a little miniature dustpan on a Artist Loft level 2 gallery wrapped 12 by 16 canvas. So this is inspired by the lovely Sarah Mack. I'm doing it on a much smaller scale because I have never done this before, but I'm really excited. I picked up my little dustpan at the dollar store the other day and mixed up my paints yesterday just to kind of let them rest a little bit and get settled down without a ton of bubbles, hopefully. So the colors that I have today are a variation of brands. I have Artist Loft Bronze. I have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green and Prussian Blue. And then I have Deco Arts Metallic Pearl and Espresso. And then I have kind of a mystery blue. This is drippings from some of my other paintings. This is what I'm going to be using as my negative space because I want to have the negative space, and then also for like the base coat. I'm going to put this on the entire painting before I do the dustpan. So let me grab another little cup. I have no idea how much paint I need for this. Not even a little bit, but I think what I am going to do is put just a little bit of this in the center before I pour. And I'm going to do a ring in there and then do the base coat and then do the swipey thing with the dustpan. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. What did I say I was going to do? A ring pour, right? Oh my goodness. That's not right. I have to level my cup, layer my cup first. Oh my goodness. See, I don't even know what I'm doing. We'll get there. It'll happen. And I think this little tiny cup is going to be too little and tiny. Okay, that is looking more like what I need. Oh, my paint is very thick. And it's leaving town already. Stay put. Okay, you stay there. What am I going to do with this? This is going to have to come over here and be propped up. It's leaving town, people. Like it's dripping off my handle and everything. Oh my heavens. I'm just going to have to get smeared on here in a fast minute here. Well, the good news is I'm getting messy. The bad news is this is not what I planned. That's okay. Here we go. Okay. A few little hiccups there. Paint on my floor again. And a big blooge right in the middle of it with the blue paint. Perfect. Let's see if I can fix that. Okay. I'm making a huge mess here. Is that what I think it is? No, I thought it was a hair and it looks like a big streak, but it's not. We're good. Okay, well, other than the huge mess that I made at the beginning, I'm not hating this so far. Gotta get this off. There's a big strip of iridescence in there that I don't want. Not in that location anyway. Okay, I need more paper towel. I love that espresso color. I wish I had put in a little bit more of that and a little less of the bronze, although the bronze is really nice. Let's see what I'm doing. Those air bubbles created a pattern in them I don't particularly like, but too late now. And I don't like that straight line that's happening right here. Can you see that right here? I don't like that, so I'm going to put a little bit of weight there. Hopefully that'll that's better. I'm going to do that over here too. that little knobby thing that was sticking out. Don't you love how tree ring pours kind of look like eyeballs? I do. I think it's kind of cool. I should have poured off this corner before I started tilting, but I didn't. Of course, that's not the right color for there. Let's put some of this on. There. Well, other than those little blue dots, I really like it. And of course the spill that I made right there. But for a first attempt, I'm kind of happy with it. What do you think? I don't know. I think it's okay. The colors, I like the colors for sure. I think maybe next time I'll try a dark background. Cool. I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so of course after I turned off the camera I had to go back and fiddle. I was trying to get some of these blue spots poured off, but of course all I did was end up making them bigger, and I think kind of messed my composition up slightly. I actually really quite like most of it except for this top part. I should have tilted around and done something a little bit that looks a little too meh. There's just not a lot of interest there. But I love this part. It looks like an eye. Look, it looks like there's like a reflection in the eye there. It's super cool. Anyways, that's basically my own lack of practice with tilting. I've been doing so many Dutch pours and resin work and whatnot that doing pours that require tilting I haven't really been working on those types of things too much, so I really need to work on that. And I dropped a big piece of blue in there that I tried to fix, which didn't really turn out all that great either. But I think it's okay. I'll let it dry and see how I feel about it. If I could just take that part, I think I would be really happy with it because I love that part. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Don't forget the Carapalooza auction is later tonight at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I think there's 28 pieces, 18 artists, some fantastic art, and other types of things like resin bowls and etc., coasters up for auction for a great cause. Join us there. I'll leave the links in the description. Bye.